This is Tomé Mokonnen from Ethiopia. I would like to introduce this is a big forest that live in Addis Ababa, the capital city of Ethiopia. So, what I would like to promote this to protect deforestation and keep the environment safe. Green energy is very important, and clean environment, clean solar energy is very crucial to protect global warming. This is what I like to introduce for you to see this forest. It's very interesting, very interesting. It's a very interesting and sophisticated place. That's why I always promote with social media platforms such kind of environment to um, to create awareness for my society and get clean breathing system. That's good. Yeah. Thank you for this.